Hi friends, it's been a really long time that I've posted a video, but I'm coming back to the track and coming back with a really awesome things. So this video will be a part of series which will be about problems in system administration. So like all the people who use system a little bit technically use terminal, install things, uninstall things, and face problems. So this series will be about you. So yep, this video will be about how to set up pip in a really completely fresh Mac. So yep, so here I got my new Mac. So in this I have not installed pip, so I need to install it. And pip is also been facing a problem with SSL certificate, so this will also be helpful for that also. So you just need to uninstall pip, whatever version you have, existing version you have, and reinstall pip using this method. So what you have to do, you just have to search on Google install pip, and after that you need to go to this link. Yep, you need to download this file. I'm downloading it through curl. You can download it using any method you like. And now you have to run this file what you have downloaded. Now I should be using this. Yep, I'm able to install pip now. But sometime I have faced the problem in the past that after installing pip, I'm not able to use pip command like this, and I had to use pip like this. So to resolve that problem, what the problem is, the terminal is not able to find where the command is present. So what you have to do is you have to open your environment file. In my case, it's bash underscore pop file, and you have to export this path. You have to export this path so that the terminal can find the pip command. So what is this path? So whenever you install any pip package, it's a Python file is created in this directory so that terminal can find command there. Cool. So you just need to save this and you are all good to go. Thanks. And if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.